What's wrong? I'm good. What's wrong?
You know my situation now.
Why are you sitting here all alone by yourself, thinking, worrying? Why?
You know my situation. You can't continue like this.
Am I complaining?
No, you're not.
No. So why are you worried?
The men like me are outside working. How long is it gonna last?
It's okay. Don't worry. I believe everything will be okay one day. And I'll try my best to make you happy. Okay. You know I love you.
Love you too.
Don't worry. Okay. Let's go. Let me get you something to eat.
How's what?
Everything is going well.
Abner, I just said you came to look for me. What is it?
Sister, haven't you heard about any job vacancy anywhere? Since you know so many people and you are closer to the big men in this town.
Sure.
Manama, I need help, and you need to help me, please. You need to help me. If you want, I'm now to say any and who job vacancy just alert me, please. Because this petty trading that I'm doing, water and drinks business, no, it's not my own business. I go to take it from the woman and then give her the money after the sales and take the few money I get, the profit, and it's not that much. You see my guy too. We used to 5 good years with a first class Anna.
Really?
And I tell you, they are saying no job vacancy yet. They need bribe before. This brown envelope too, Abna, I don't have.
Okay, if you say so, I'll try my possible best to help.
Please do your best. I know you know so many people. Please do your best and help me, okay? So what about your business? I'm still on it.
I'm shooting, baby. Get it? Rhymes. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. Oh Lord, I day on my knees, I dey pray. If I'm a horse you, I beg my pay to be what, do up. Man, I be me yet, I see you, my say me. If you be you, soon I dey cry by a ye. Many part was simple, me say in Tibet, school I'm on Kobe, you want my yebi, to me one day, in city. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. Mom told me what's for the paper. When you do more hard, it's a robber. Braba, yeah, Bobby, my work was hard. And Papa, when it be the root of forever. Devil can show you more level. Yummy, I'm some no j humble. You go put food on the table. Get it? Rhymes go for me. Ritual money, dear Debbie. Me share with my dachi B. When you bro, but yeah, dash me ma. Or say, you be back.
Yeah, Kofi. Hey, pass our friend. Serious? My accountant no wedding kwasa something no. Yeah, in a day. Me here will be a representative and money ya. And then ya. Yes, please. Yes, help me. Yes, please. Okay. Yeah, do it for me. Mr. Ome Pobio good why? Me pesa back on me. Me that's measure him why? What if from any rain you share baby me that's. It's Pusika no. Sorry.
Papa Bacha, let me know wedding come.
Oh, free.
It is how you go be so now accountant.
Oh yeah.
Na me nua ba ko bi o we wie school university first class.
Wow.
Nka percent ka o ye so betumi ade no wa.
Sir. Unia. Oh yeah, sure. Okay. I can never jump because me here no ya so betumi na ba ya. Momodin na anya you why. Oh the funny brem. I mean, I'm out card. No more friend. Why? No. Right. Okay. So this is my card. All right.
This life again. Oh Lord, I day on my knees. I pray. I did cry by a year. You probably see me say in baby. You want my baby. To me one day. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. Mom told me what's for the paper. When you do one, it's a robber. You boy being booked. My work was hard and power. Money with the root of 4 Devil can show you more level. I'm some no j humble. You go put food on the table. Get it for me. Ritual idiot then me. I share with my dachi be. We have bro, my head down, my or say the beaver. Where's the camp? We need to go a friend my back. My head down to me.
Alright, once again, welcome. Yeah. So, what brought you there?
Manager, we came for a CV and application.
Alright. Is it the one?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. This is nice. You know something? Tomorrow morning, come for interview. Like 7 dot. Okay. Great.
We'll be here.
Alright.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I respect
So
you.
much. God bless you, sir.
I'm impressed too.
Thank you.
Wow. Nice. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow.
You and baby, get it? Rhymes. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. Oh Lord, I day on my knees, I dey pray. If I'm a horse you, I beg mommy pay to be what, do up. And I be me yet, I see you woman say me. If you be you soon I dey cry by a ye. Many part was simple me say in Tibet, school among Kobe, you want my newbie, to me one day in city. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. When I sleep today, when I wake up no day, when I fast no day, this life again. Mom told me what's for the paper. When you do more hot, it's a robber. Braba ye bobi my work was hard. Empower money with the root of for evil. Devil can show you more level. Yami am some no je humble. You go put food on the table. Get it? Rhymes go for me. Ritual money dear Debbie. Me share with my dachi be. Oh yeah bro, my yeah dash me ma. Or say biba. Why say come? We need to car. Or friend my back. My yeah that to me pam. Me watching.
Babe. What for?
What's for?
Yeah, I mean, babe, we have been doing it without this thing.
Baby, you should understand. We have to continue using this. You know our condition and our state now. You're not stable. I've been trying my best to help us live or survive. If you do it without it, you put an implication. Unwanted pregnancies. You are not ready. Neither am I. So please, try and understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
They're pushing nowhere through. They're pushing hard, but there's nowhere through. Yeah. Me, I live my life. By the grace of God, me, I go survive. Me tired of your fake high. Move to me too, but I'm still alive. Say me, I live my life.
Yeah, Simon. When you're not man, still get the crown and come up, but and qualify what my mate demand me pen. When you be for accounting. So you may soon idea me here no account side. And she said that to Frank Edding pass some day man man. Edding pa
Manager, as you said earlier on, maybe you know, oh you're good. First class student.
yeah, I know.
And I can assure you that you will not regret if you take him in. Oh man, intensive training, yeah, he can deliver it very well, please. I know you can help me. You are the boss, please. I know you can help me.
Well, what can I say? There's a way out with me. I first saw there. Men are paying a word many. Into the American paying for what you say. The Americans are betting my young one there. Baby, I'm say go with price. So, beyond the price, until say, wow, wow.
Manager, I don't have that kind of money to pay.
Sweetheart, I'm not talking about money. Debbie, scan this casa in me, or this cat to a branch of me. One casa scan and moves you on. So, bet me don't want mamma. When we met a girlfriend, I mean, when you and my funnel easy.
What?
Yes, if you can sleep with me,
Sleep with who? You?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Please, this offer, I cannot do it. Please, reconsider. Manager, reconsider.
I'm afraid if you can't accept this, I don't think your brother can work in my company.
I'm a child of God. I can't do this.
I don't think. That's the option. Accept it. It is just small offer.
With this offer, I can't. I'm very sorry.
What? Sweetheart.
Please!
No way through. They pushing no way through. They pushing hard, but there's no way through. Yeah.
God, what's the meaning of all this? Should I accept this man? Should I accept his proposal? Oh God, what have I put myself into? I have promised Fadel to make him happy. Should I accept it all? But if I ignore it too, what happens to Fadel? He needs this job. He needs to work. This man is too wicked, though. To look at me and tell me to sleep with him before helping me with this small offer. This world, what you want, you will not get.
Yes. Enter. Yeah, afternoon.
Thank you.
How may I help you?
Manager, concerning what we discussed the other time,
What is it?
I've thought about it and I really need this job for my brother. That's why I'm here.
Okay, actually, now you are talking like a mature lady. You know what? Pity myself now. In this world, you have to give something to get something. Give what you have to get what you want. You just meet me tonight.
I'll try.
You will try.
I'll be there.
Yes, now you are talking. I'm often saying that I will be saying more. Yeah, can you do my money? What you say? All right. You know this is my office. I can't do anything. So give me a hug. All right. Give me a hug. Turn around. Let him see something. Turn around. Wow. Hey. We should know more. Wow. Wow. I'm doing that and show what you've done your face. What's my baby father? What you say? Give me a hug. Why? Why are you panicking? Are you a virgin?
Please, I'd like to take you.
Alright. Remember, tonight.
Oh my God. Abena. So, Abena was carrying this sickness all along. Unbelievable. In fact, was she cheating on me? How come I'm negative and she's positive? Abena. Oh my God. I thought she was an angel. I was about to give my entire life to her. Thank you, Lord. You really watch over me. Abena, in fact, you are the devil in person. You deceived me. How can you do that? That reminds me. Was it the reason why she was always insisting for us to protect ourselves before sex? Oh God. So she knew what she was doing. In fact, this lady, my God, will punish you for mocking at my love for you. I gave you everything. I loved you. So in this world, there is no one to trust. Not even Abena, my love. Oh my God. I don't even want to see her again. I don't even want to see Abena again. In fact, she's the worst of human beings in this place.
What have I gotten myself into? I'm doomed. Now that Father is aware of it, what are you going to do with your life? He is negative now. And as a result came out, you are positive, but now you see your life. Is Father going to turn back his back on me? No, I don't think he can do that. That would be too wicked of him. What if he does? Then I'll be the fool now. Oh God! Oh no! So this man knew he was carrying this sickness all along, and he forced me to do this with him. God will punish you wherever you are. Oh God, I've destroyed my life. I just hope Father will not turn back his back on me. He loves me to do that. He cannot do that. He loves me too much to do that.
Are you gonna talk now? Are you going to tell me everything now? Abena, I'm listening.
Take it easy on me.
I'm not taking anything easy. I'm not taking anything easy.
Why are you doing this?
Where did you get it from? Abena, I'm listening.
I'm going to tell you. I told you I'll do anything to make you happy. And so, Father, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I did it for your sake.
I did not send you. Let's take it very, very, very seriously. I did not send you anywhere. Did I ask you to do something such a thing?
Father!
H-I-fucking-V.
I'm sorry, no. I love you and I wanted to make you happy.